Hey guys, I've had the Roomba i7 Plus for 2.5 years now. I bought it in 2019, and this is how it's held up over the time. First, I almost regret buying it with the clean base, since the clean base is honestly not that useful for me. It always clogs up, I've made multiple videos about that. It's very loud, and that really is annoying at night when I run it, and also sometimes the bag just is not recognized. And it's just overall not really a good purchase. I had to tape together the dustbin too, since it kept on falling apart and the dirt would fall out of it. Also, if you look here, there's a lot of random scrapes on it. That one right there is from when I took a GoPro mount off, and all of these are just from normal wear. This is over 2.5 years, by the way, so that's not too good. Looking at the dustbin, of course, as I said, it was taped back together, and that was pretty annoying to do. And if you look at the bottom, you see that this side brush actually has broken. I've replaced about 4 times now. The first one did the same thing, and I don't mind it because it's pretty easy to just take off and replace once in a while. A relatively big problem is that the actual gap is very large now since the rubber piece, or the rubber gasket thing, actually fell apart, so I had to remove that, and now dust kind of gets everywhere and not just in the bin. It's pretty annoying, and I'm not sure how long I can deal with this. Mapping-wise, it's been perfectly fine still. It doesn't get confused that often, and even though I don't use the smart home mapping features anymore, it's still a very good machine when it comes to mapping out the room that I'm actually using it in. Overall, I don't think it's lost any suction, but I do think the battery is so much worse than it was when I first got it. The battery now only lasts about 20 to 25 minutes, when before, it lasted over an hour. So that's really been annoying. And you can replace the battery, but it's pretty expensive, around $100. And I'm not sure what else is going to break in this Roomba next, so I'm not sure if I will replace the battery, especially in its current state. I might just end up having to replace the whole thing with something newer. However, one note here is that it has been ran for a total of 431 hours, and that's a lot. That takes a lot of charge cycles on the battery, since if it only lasted an hour when I bought it, and now it lasts less, then that's over 400 charge cycles. Probably about 700 now, and that's about the lifespan of a lithium-ion battery. So I don't blame the Roomba, more of lithium-ion batteries. But as I said, the battery is replaceable for $120, so oh well, I can always replace it. Now, onto the clean base. This is why I don't like the clean base personally. I kind of regret buying it with the clean base. One, it requires these bags. There's no reusable option. That's annoying to me personally, only because the bags get expensive, and it clogs pretty easily. I made a video a couple years back, which has gotten a good amount of views about how to clean this out, and in 2 months, it has gotten very clogged up and dirty. This is 2 months of use, and probably half of that, I had no bag in it. So let's take it out and see how much dirt is really inside of it. And while taking it out, I actually snapped the screw. I was confused because I thought the screw was out, but apparently not, so I guess I have to either buy a new clean base or find a replacement part, which is going to be hard because nobody really has replacement parts for the clean base. One good part about the clean base is that I have not had to replace the filter nearly as much when using the clean base because it actually sucks the dust out of the filter too. I don't think you should buy an i7 Plus in 2021 or 2022 because I don't think that iRobot sells them new, and they're not that good of a deal used, as iRobot sells better vacuums now. When it was new, it was very nice, and it was quite the capable robot vacuum, but nowadays, I just don't think it's worth it. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.